Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at this cue card. Describe the best gift or present you have ever received. You should say what the gift was, who gave it to you, when you have received it, and explain why it is the best gift. So without wasting time, let's begin. We all desire certain things as we are growing up or even when we are adults. I have always been fascinated by Gautam Buddha since childhood. I really loved paintings, statues, and portraits of Buddha. I always imagined Buddha to be calm and peaceful. If I would go somewhere with my family and I would see Buddha's portrait or statue, I used to get engrossed in the simple beauty of it. My sister knew how much I loved paintings and statues of Buddha. But at that time, we did not have enough pocket money to buy a statue or painting. There was one time when we went to art gallery and I saw a statue of Buddha in sitting position with a little but a very calm smile. I still remember that vividly, and my sister told me that we will buy it one day. We grew up and I started earning as well, but I never spent money on fulfilling my desires. This year in April, my sister came to visit us. She brought me a present. I could not believe it that it was the same statue of Buddha that we saw at the art gallery. However, this was smaller in size that could be used as a showpiece. It is grey in color and made with clay. It is just over a foot in height and sitting cross-legged. It brought a huge smile on my face as this was something I had always wanted and got it as a gift from my sister. That's why it is the best gift. And I also realized that if we really want something, we always get it sooner or later. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.